Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the police have recovered another firearm in connection with yesterday's deadly gun battle between the police and a group of armed robbers in Negril, Westmoreland. The 9mm pistol loaded with several rounds was found under a boat at the Negril pier this morning. This brings to 7 the number of illegal weapons seized following the shootout. One of the deceased has been identified as 32-year-old Ankar Forrest, an electrician of Grange Hill, Westmoreland. The other deceased men have not yet been identified, while a 5th suspect has been hospitalized under police guard. TVJ News has learned that 5 other suspects were picked up yesterday following the shooting. 2 of them were arrested on the scene in Westmoreland, while another vehicle with 3 of the suspects was intercepted in St. Catherine. A woman is among the detainees.